gonna be the ones I have there. Those are the oh fuck no. Just crack them loose and then you can probably get them with the gun.
Okay, he's gotta fucking go.
This cylinder head here, and the problem with this is the valve seats. So it was losing compression, there was misfires. Well, some of the intake valves and some of the exhaust valves are leaking. So the way we tested it was you put some brake clean, or you can use any kind of liquid that's safe to put in inside the chambers, and you observe if they leak. Like right here, you can barely see like where they leak. So that means the valve is not sitting correctly. So what we got to do now is reseat the valve, make sure that it's closing all the way so that there's no compression being escaped through the valves.
Okay. So that cylinder was misfiring?
Yeah, this cylinder was the one that was misfiring. Has a bunch of oil in it. Could be part of the cylinder head problem. Doesn't have a lid or anything.
How many miles are on this car?
190. Wow, that shit is different.
When you put it in
Oh, man. All right, so what you want to do, my man?
Yeah, but there's a lot of fucking oil now. See?
Oh, you just cleaned that shit? I was like, why is that one?
I think it's
Rings?
Yeah.
That one's going up right now?
Yeah.
So the two in the middle go up and the two in the bottom go out. I thought it was every other one.
Yeah, it doesn't. Let me see this other one. All the intake ones here. In order, like this going this way, or whichever way. So this is the front start with these, so that you can line them up like that towards the back.
I get confused when we start doing like I'm looking at it left to right and then we're doing it up to back.
Or however it is. I'm just putting, you can't get any worse
I'm saying
now.
front.
But you're gonna be turning it. I'm just saying, so you gotta just keep in mind.
So it's a week later, and we ended up putting the stock wheels back on because the wheels that I have for the NKs have no tread on them. So we ended up just putting the stock wheels on with brand new lug nuts. I won't have to worry about any rubbing no more. This fool's working on the Kia.
The next day.
Okay, so a little update on the Dodge Ram. Yesterday I did a little boo-boo. So let me show you. I installed this one yesterday and I installed it this way. And it doesn't go this way. It goes this way. So yesterday when I tried to start the truck, it started to massively leak from the side of the cylinder head. So I had to order a new one, got it installed, and got her started up. She's running good. So yeah, this was yesterday's boo-boo. But she's running, she sounds good. I'm gonna let her run for a little bit. Gotta get the coolant, gotta get the air out of the cooling system. Gotta bleed it out and let her warm up for a little bit. And then slap the tires on and get her back on the road. She is running.